Good day, ADU enthusiast. Eric, that ADU guy here with Dave. A 574 square foot backyard detached ADU update. So the foundation and stem wall, as we can see here, are in. The perimeter is backfilled, and Dave's laying out the joist hangers right now and securing down the green board. So on top of these 6-inch stem walls are a pressure treated green board. This is what the flooring members will be hung from. We've got bolts every 6 feet, anywhere within 12 inches of any seam. There also has to be a bolt. This is the footing for this pony wall that will carry the halfway point of the floor. As you can see, Dave's got all his ABS members laid out so he doesn't have to straddle every single floor joist as he puts those in. There's the UFER. This is a 20-foot piece of rebar that the ground on the electrical panel will attach to. Hope everybody's having a good day. Start planning your ADU. Be like Dave.